My name is Terri Lickletter. I'm a military spouse of 19 years. My husband is in the Army and he's stationed at Fort Leavenworth, Kansas. We live in Kansas City with our 2 kids. I wanted to be a MILLIE Scout because we've moved 8 times in the past 19 years and I know how hard it can be. When you're moving to an area and you don't know anybody, you don't know where to live, you're looking for a rental, you're looking to buy a house, and you don't have any support there. So I wanted to be a MILLIE Scout so that I could help simplify the process for other military families that are moving to an area where they don't know anybody and they need a little assistance. And I would love to be able to help any military family make the PCS process easier.